Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever run into the issue where you get the message, this video contains content from SESAC and is not available in your country on YouTube, don't worry. I'm going to break down what this means and why it happens. So this error is actually caused by licensing restrictions. YouTube blocks certain videos or music due to a dispute with an organization called SEAC, which stands for the Society of European Stage Authors and Composers. Basically, YouTube's music license with SESAC expired without a renewal, and as a result, they've had to block a lot of videos, especially ones featuring music from artists like Adele, Kendrick Lamar, Bob Dylan, and Nirvana. What this means for you. Fans. If you're a fan of any of these artists, you might notice that their videos are blocked in your country. Artists. Unfortunately, artists lose exposure and potentially royalties because their videos aren't available for fans in affected regions. YouTube and SEAC are still negotiating a new agreement, and hopefully it'll be resolved soon so we can all get back to enjoying the content. If this video helped clarify things for you, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.